no!
Are you good, man?
You have no idea how much that scared me.
It's crazy how immersive it is, right? No kidding, like it seems so real. It was terrifying. It does kind of get you thinking though.
What do you mean?
Well, I mean, like when you were in VR, it felt super convincing, right? I don't know, it just gets me thinking because it's like, how can we prove that we're not in a simulation right now? Whoa, never really thought about that. That's actually kind of trippy. Bro? Dude, come on, where are you, man?